Is the iPhone XR clear case worth 40 bucks? Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So this is the iPhone XR clear case, which is finally launching after what appears to be a slight delay. This case is $40 and it is designed with the iPhone XR in mind. Now I say that because it's clear and the iPhone XR comes in a variety of beautiful colors. This allows those colors to shine through so you don't cover them up, yet still be able to protect your investment. Now what's interesting is that this is a fairly hard case. It isn't super pliable. It's built well. And it's built with the iPhone XR in mind, so it's going to fit it like a glove. Of course, all your buttons are there. So you have your volume buttons and your side button. Those are going to be fully protected. And of course, you have your camera cut out on the rear. So like I was saying earlier, this isn't a super pliable case like you might expect from a clear case. It's not going to bend. It is a hard case that is built to protect your iPhone XR well. And on that same note, there's a lip that goes all the way around the case to protect your display when you set it face down. I'll show you that in a second. So here's the beautiful blue iPhone XR. And here is the iPhone XR clear case. So let's go ahead and insert the iPhone XR into the clear case. It just slides in like that. You press down and it snaps right into place. Super simple, super easy. So now let's examine the fit of the iPhone XR inside the clear case. You can see the camera cut out there on the rear. You see the buttons and you see that lip that goes around the outer edge as well. And here's one of the most important things. You have the bottom cut out with those edges protected. And that bottom cutout allows you to use gestures on your iPhone XR without the case interfering. That is a big deal. A lot of the third-party cases that you'll see, even though they are clear cases, they don't have that bottom cutout and it interferes with your ability to use gestures freely. Now let's talk about something that I don't like that much, and that is the tactile response of the buttons, especially the volume buttons. They're just not that great. It's kind of mushy feeling. I don't know, maybe it's because the case hasn't been broken in and maybe that will change. I will report back to let you guys know whether that changes at all. I just think it's kind of weird because Apple has made great cases in the past with very tactile buttons. So maybe it's just a matter of the case being broken in. I'll let you know. But I really love the fact that this case allows the color of the iPhone XR to shine through. There is one other little thing though, and that's the little rainbow effect that you get when light hits it at a certain angle. Some cases do reject that and they actually note that in their product marketing, some third-party cases that is, but this one seems to be subject to that. So something else to keep in mind. But here's the thing, this case will protect your iPhone XR whether face down or face up. You can see that lip, how it prevents the screen from touching the surface. And even on the rear with the camera lip, it is recessed enough so that a lot of the wobble is neutralized and your lens is protected at the same time. Now here's one other concern. A lot of these clear cases tend to turn yellow over time due to sun exposure and things of that nature. Will this case be subject to that? It's hard to tell right now because it's brand new, but I will report back and let you guys know what the deal is on that. So if you want a first-party iPhone XR case, you don't have a lot of options. This is the only option. This is the only case that Apple makes for the XR. Is it worth 40 bucks? Of course not. Apple probably made this thing for 10 cents. However, it is worth protecting your iPhone XR with a clear case, and most importantly, Apple gets it right with a cutout at the bottom to accommodate gestures. What do you guys think about the XR clear case? Let me know down below in the comments section. This is Jeff with 9 to 5 Mac.